Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 4.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound fall 0.6% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The China-EU summit will be held on Thursday in Beijing, where leaders of both sides will discuss strategic and global economic issues of common interest. Xi Jinping will meet with the President of the European Council, Charles Michel, and the President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen. Last week, investments in crypto funds ratcheted up to a record $1.76 billion, the highest number recorded since the launch of future-based exchange-traded funds in fall 2021. According to a new report from CoinShares, AMD has announced it has opened its largest global R&D center in Bengaluru, India, where the company will boost research, development and engineering operations in India. The new state-of-the-art facility will host around 3,000 AMD engineers over the coming years.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French industrial output will be released at 07:45 GMT, Australia's RBA rate statement at 03:30 GMT, the US ISM Services PMI at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT, the Eurozone's producer price index at 1000 hours GMT, Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 03:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.